Hello friends, today we are studying The Twelfth Night. This is a comedy by William Shakespeare. Shakespeare is the greatest English poet. He has written about 36 plays, most of which are comedies. In this play, The Twelfth Night, there are very interesting characters. The first character is Orsino. Orsino is the Duke of Illyria. Now, what is the meaning of Duke? Duke is a type of small king, you might call it. It is a king. Not exactly king, but something like a king. He is the ruler of that city. Sebastian is the brother of a character called Viola. Viola is a female character and Sebastian is her brother. Antonio is a captain of the sea and Antonio is friend of Sebastian. So these three people, Viola, Sebastian and Antonio. Viola and Sebastian are brothers and sisters and Antonio is the friend of Sebastian. There is a sea captain who was in the ship of Viola and this captain is friend of Viola. Now we have two more characters. They are Valentine and Curio. These are the two people who attend on the Duke Orsino. So an attendant is like a personal assistant or secretary, you may call. There is a character called Sir Toby Belch. Now this Toby Belch is uncle of Olivia. Who is Olivia? Olivia is a rich countess. Now this countess is new word. Count is the masculine gender and countess is the feminine gender. What is the meaning of countess? Countess is something like, again you say duke. This is count is smaller than the duke. So the opposite of count is countess. She is Olivia is countess and she has two servants. They are called Fabian and Feste. Fabian and Feste are servants of Olivia and Feste is also a clown. Clown is a fool. So fool does not mean foolish. Fool is a person who entertains. Now as regards Viola, Viola is in love with Duke. And Maria is the woman who attends on Olivia. So look at the starting, as we will just now see that Duke Orsino is in love with Olivia. But there is another woman, Viola, who already loves Orsino. So the story becomes very interesting and let us see what happens. I start with Act 1, Scene 1. The first scene opens in the palace of the Duke. Now we have very remarkable speech by Duke and this is generally asked for explanation in the university examination. So let us consider this speech of the Duke. The Duke is speaking in the presence of Curio and other lords. Lords are the big people of that city, and there are musicians also who are in the service of the Duke. So Duke Orsino says, "If music be the food of love, play on, give me excess of it, that surfeiting the appetite may sicken, and so die that strain again. It had a dying fall." Oh, it came over my ear like the sweet sound that breathes upon a bank of violets, stealing and giving order. Enough, no more, it's not so sweet now as it was before. O Spirit of love, how quick and fresh art thou, that notwithstanding thy capacity, receiveth as the sea not enters here, of what validity and pitch soever, but falls into abatement and low price, even in a last minute, so full of shapes its fancy, that is alone is high fantastical. So let me analyze this first speech of Duke, which is very interesting. It can be asked for explanation. So the Duke asks a question: if music be the food of love, so he thinks that music is food of love, means love eats music. Love nourishes, so music nourishes love. Play on means play on music. Give me excess of it. So means give me a lot of music. So I will overeat music. Means I will have excess of music. And so the appetite for love, the hunger for love will sicken. Means my desire for love will reduce and so die. Means the love which is in my heart will die. Now it's very strange. Why does the Duke want the love in his heart to die? That strain is music, tarana, song, you might call it. It had a dying fall. So love is about to decline, means love is to go out. Oh, it came over my ear like the sweet sound. So first the music came to his ears like a sweet sound that breathes upon the bank of violets. Violets are beautiful flowers, stealing and giving order. So it was something, love gave him sweet smell, sweet scent. Enough, no more. It's not so sweet now as it was before. So the feeling of love was earlier sweet, but now it is not as sweet as it was before. O Spirit of love, how quick and fresh art thou. Now he is asking the Spirit of love, means he is personifying कहते हैं मानवीकरण को. तो प्यार का मानवीकरण कर रहा है, प्यार की आत्मा, प्यार की स्पिरिट कोई हो. तो is asking a question to that, how quick and fresh you are, means you are very quick and you are very fresh, like the smell of violets, that notwithstanding thy capacity, means in spite of your, notwithstanding means in spite of your capacity, receives as the sea, not enters here. So nothing goes out from here, of what validity and pitch soever, but falls into abatement and low price, even in a minute, so full of shape is fancy, that is alone is high fantastical.